let's comb the part out. Come on. Come on, y'all. Y'all. The lace. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl. If you're not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this install from UNice hair. Okay, this is a HD lace 5x5 closure unit, body wave texture. I went in and I cut some layers, y'all will see that, and I just put some nice body type curls. And y'all, the lace, this is like one of the best HD lace wigs next to the Dola hair wig that I've had. Like, and I wanted to do the no baby hairs because I wanted it to look very natural. I wanted it to look like it could be mine. I wanted it to be very, very clean install, and that's exactly what it's giving. If y'all want to see this install, make sure to keep on watching.
Still believe in it. Good days, always always inside. Good days, my mind. Hold me on my fears, my damn since I disappeared. If you let me, feel like Jericho, feel like Joe. We lost this shit. Gotta hold my cross to get alone night. Ooh, way to kill the mood. Know you like that sticky. Ooh, baby, heavy on my empty mindset. I gotta keep the moves in the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your big.
Alright, y'all, this install is going to be pretty much quiet for the most part. I'm not going to do too much talking, but I do want to come in on like certain parts. So right here, I'm cleaning my skin with the Bold Skin Protect. And prior to that, I did use alcohol, and then I'm going in with my Bold glue. And I do 2 layers of that. I use all Bold products pretty much every time I do an install. I don't really like to use anything else. This works for me. I may try to do some other ones soon, but I really just like the Bold collection. And then I'm using this popsicle stick. I use a rat tail comb sometimes. It just depends, to spread the glue out. And you want to just make sure you're spreading this out as thin as possible. The more glue you have on there, the longer it's going to take to dry, and it's just going to be white. Like, you want it to dry clear. So I try to spread it out as thin as possible, even taking off some of that excess glue if needed.
Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either let me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah, it's worth more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I got it. Oh,
This is something that I used to do before, the black spray, but I just went back to doing it a little bit because I'm just like, why not? So I took some dark brown hair dye and a mascara wand, and I'm just dipping it in that hair dye and just going in on the roots where it's lightened a little bit more than the rest of the hair. And I just don't want that super clean fake looking part, so I went in with the hair dye. I feel like this gives it the same effect. I mean, it's just preference, it's whatever you want to do. I'm probably going to go back and forth between the two because the spray is just like convenient and quick, but I just wanted to do this. I hadn't did it in a while. I did cut layers into this hair. I'm not going to show y'all the full thing because it just took a while and it's going to make the video really long. But if y'all want a full detailed tutorial on how I cut my layers, then definitely let me know and I can make a separate video on that. I also did not record myself fully curling this hair. If y'all want a curl tutorial, let me know, because I just don't want to make my video super long, like 20 minutes. Y'all are not going to watch that. So yeah, that's the end result of the layers, and then I'm going in with the curls. And can I tell y'all that this hair curls so freaking good? Like, this was some really good quality hair. Like, UNice really has been stepping their game up. This is like totally different than the hair that they've been putting out. I can definitely say that I'm a fan of UNice hair, and I used to not be a fan of UNice hair, but I've been working with them a lot lately. Like, I get promo from them at least like twice a month, if that, sometimes once a month, but I work with them a lot. And as I've worked with them, I've seen their brand change because they're doing some rebranding, and I really like the new brand that they're putting out. It's really good quality. I didn't show the lace tint bottle for long because this is the same lace tint I've been using. It's located in my Amazon store. The brand is Wig extensions, and I'm using the color Mocha. I actually buy this from my beauty supply store, but it is available on Amazon. I just like it better than the She Is Bomb. The She Is Bomb collection is good. I just feel like it's a little orangey for my skin, so I prefer to use this.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were to, then you could manage, yeah. Open with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all that you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, no, you could do damage.
Y'all know how I feel about makeup on lace, but there's an exception. I did go in with my brush that I used to color my ball cap, and I just did the edges, just the edges. The lace is like so good, minus this little area right here because this is glue, y'all. I've tried to scrape it off a little bit, so just ignore that. But the lace is lacing, okay? It's melted. I wanted to do a no baby hairs look, very, very natural. I wanted it to look like, you know, my hair, fresh silk press. I don't know if y'all remember back when we used to get our natural hair done. I had this friend, she had long, beautiful hair, y'all, and she would always get her hair in a roller wrap. And it would look just like this, and it would be so cute. And that's what I was going for, really, like just nice layers, beautiful curls, you know. I can't stop running my hands through it. This hair is like so bomb. UNice did their thing with this one. Let's comb the part out. Come on. Come on, y'all. But thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.